Hello, ladies and gentlemen. The Knife Detector here, and I wanted to share with you one of my more recent acquisitions. This is called a Cam 3 pocket knife, and these are made in Japan, although I had to do a little bit of research to find out that it was made in Japan. Check out these smooth micarta handles, guys. I think one of the best features of this knife are the micarta handles. Check out the texture on that. That is just smooth micarta. Now, I believe this knife is probably from possibly the 80s, because I don't recall this knife in the 90s. Check it out. It's got a gut hook. It's got a really nice gut hook. It's got a nice edge on it. This is called the Cam 3. The way this handle is made, it's really ergonomic so that you can hold on to it from the back part. See how it swells in the back? It's got nickel silver bolsters in the front, nickel silver bolsters in the back, 3 pins. It's got a lockback design, brass liners, and these beautiful micarta scales, guys. That's what really drew me to this knife. I think I ended up paying about 20 bucks or so for this knife on eBay. And the blade is nice. I'm a sucker for Japanese steel. I really am. I like the Japanese pocket knives big time. About as much as I like my buck knives as well. But check this out. The thing that just is not perfect on this knife is the shape of the blade when you close it. I know that this little hump right here probably hides the gut hook, but check out the way that this blade was machined. It looks a little bumpy there. Seems like there's one bump here and another bump there. But not too smooth. The tolerance is not fantastic there. Or the way they finish that, not fantastic, right? But beautiful knife otherwise. The thing that I think would make this knife just perfect, though, would be a thumb stud. Enter KWIK thumb stud. Now, in the past, you've seen me use a Chinese version of these guys that makes a thumb bar, a Chinese thumb bar. These guys also make thumb bars, but this is a stud. And KWIK is the brand that really is the best out there when it comes to thumb studs. And I wanted to show you the package it comes in. See? Made in the USA, securely attaches to folding knife blades, 4/16 stainless, set screw. Gives you the sizing information right there. Open your favorite folding knife with one hand. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these tools. We're going to do a little operation on this knife. See if we can install a thumb stud. And I'm thinking the best place would be somewhere right around, I'm doing this to see more or less where I would want it. And I'm thinking right around here, in front of the lettering. That's where I would want it. So let's see what we got. We're going to open this cool little plastic bag. And I like to keep these plastic bags, right? Because let's say, because I sell stuff on eBay and Etsy, and let's say that I want to ship something small, like a piece of jewelry or a small knife or a part. I could just reuse one of these plastic bags. You know what I mean? All right. If you're just tuning into my channel, this is the Knife Detector channel. And in this channel, I like to make videos of vintage and unique pocket knives. Not always vintage. Sometimes I just focus on unique pocket knives, and I like to make videos on knives that are seldom seen. Maybe knives that you remember your dad having or your granddad having, and you lost track of over the years. You might find it in my channel. So you might want to give us a look every now and then to see what I've got as far as my knife channels. Check out some of my older videos. Some of my older videos have some cool Japan pocket knives, buck knives, some knives that maybe you've never seen, like Rigid, Apache, Comanche, some of these brands. So, all right. Let's see what we've got to do. We're going to try and keep it more or less in this position, and then we're going to take that Allen wrench, and we're going to try and tighten this bad boy. Okay, it's a little tight there. You get more from here. Don't want to over tighten it. And if you watch that video that I used with the Chinese thumb bar, I totally stripped the interior of the bolt on the Chinese thumb bar, and it's just the materials were not as high quality. On this one, you could really feel that this Allen wrench got a really good bite in there, and it really just tightened it. So let's see if it works, guys. Yep, there it is. And that's what it looks like with the thumb stud. Let's do that again. Yep, that's about where I want it. Maybe a little further down. I'll have to use it there for a bit, see if I can get used to it in that particular place. Of course, it's ambidextrous. You can do it with either hand. But yeah, in my opinion, that's all this knife really needed. Something like that, and to complete it. All right, well, this is a knife detector signing off, guys. Check out the pictures I have on this bad boy that I'm going to leave at the end. Some of those are the pictures that I saw on the eBay store where I bought it. There are these little treasures out there, these little gems out there ready to be picked by you guys. So keep on the lookout for some of these, you knife enthusiasts. And I want to thank all my current subscribers. And as always, guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would very much appreciate that. Y'all take care.